All substances, at least in principle, can exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. As shown in this figure here on this slide, gases differ from liquids and solids in the distances between the atoms. In a solid, atoms or molecules are held closely together in an orderly fashion, like shown here, and you can see that the particles in that solid have very little freedom of motion. Atoms or molecules in a liquid are close together, but they're not held so rigidly in position and can slide or move past one another. This is why you can pour a liquid. In a gas, the atoms or molecules, again, are separated by distances that are large compared to the size of the atoms or molecules. The three states of matter can be interconverted without changing the composition of a substance. Upon heating a solid like ice, it's going to melt to form water. The temperature at which this transition occurs is called the melting point. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Further heating will convert the liquid into a gas. This conversion takes place at the boiling point of a liquid. For example, the boiling point of water at 1 atmosphere is 100 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, cooling a gas will cause it to condense into a liquid. When the liquid is cooled even further, it's going to freeze into its solid form. This figure here shows the three states of water. Note that the properties of water are unique among common substances and that the molecules in the liquid state are more closely packed together than those in the solid state. So you can see that in the molecules of water that are in ice, you can see that the molecules are actually further apart. You can see there's these little pockets here of air, and that's why ice is less dense than water. That's why ice floats on water. And so you should know the definitions of melting point, boiling point, evaporation, condensation, freezing, and so on.